come with no girlfriend, no job, no credit, no hobby, no social skills. Wait, I think I know someone like that. Can you? No, idiot, you. Do nothing without Senor Bunny. Then what do I do? You gotta try harder to be his friend. Like how much harder? 2%? More. 5%? More. 7%? Are you out of your mind? 100%. What? No one can give 100%. It's physically impossible. You gotta dig deep. You gotta go to the place inside you where you've never been. You need to have a story in order to go there. No. I'm talking about in here. Now, try. That's good enough, right? No! Look at me. You can do this. Now, try. Harder! I'm dying! No! You're trying! I'm going to be the best friend that any best friend has ever had! Uh-oh. You can open your eyes now, best friend. Guess what? I got you the proof you wanted. The one from the game show? Surprise? Well, you shouldn't be. It's just what one best friend would do for another best friend. Who knew cruising could be so much fun?
I cannot remember the last time I had this much fun.
Hey, you think it's possible to have too much fun?
Interesting question. I guess there's only one way to find out.
Oh, what might that be?
Keep having fun!
Game's over. You've been hogging the court long enough.
Oh, hello. Here.
Move along, Gopher. It's my best friend's turn. Hey, you thought you old pal? A shuffleboard court opened up. Daffy, I'm reading. I don't want to play shuffleboard. Yeah, me neither. There's only one thing to do about that.
Nimble contest and a spin egg.
I'll take a bath. Be good.
What's up, Doc? Oh, was that just your thing? I don't want to step on any toes.
What are you gonna do? Be good for Mom, okay?
I know it's your favorite. Do you mind?
I'll take a bath.
You done with that page? Just let me know when you're done. I'll flip it when you're done. Done yet? Done yet? Done yet?
Sorry, Sammy.
I'll save your place. Carrot, I know they're your favorite. Happy 189 days until your birthday! I just saw my life flash before my eyes. Tell me all about it. This time I promise I'll listen. Daffy, you gotta back off. Sure thing. This good? More. This good? More. It's not? Yeah, that's good.
Is everyone enjoying the cruise?
Oh, indeed. It's our first one.
And I must say, I'm a fan of cruising.
Oh, yes, we're cruisers now. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, turn through. I wasn't sure what you wanted, so I brought you everything. Get your own buffet. This one's for my best friend.
I am needed elsewhere. Just know that I'll always be right here. On the negative $12 bill. Whoa. This is worthless. It's less than worthless, my boy. Trembly away!
Where do you think he's going?
I'm gonna say off the cliff. And then Zeus came by and talked to me for like an hour.
You've been through so much.
It works. So what's with the top hat?
I'm a congressman.
Pardon me?
You are officially pardoned.
Oi, you are never gonna make sense, are you, kid?
No, I'm not, Uncle Stan. No, I'm not. Mabel, away! I'm okay.
Esteemed gentlemen of the United States Supreme Court, I implore you to rethink your decision. Very well, but who would you have replace me? That old crone? Chief Justice, no, you're spitting up on yourself now. Oh, come on. This is a courtroom. This is a dark day for America.
It's that time, my favorite part of the week. Time now for the Sports High Five on Disney XD. I'm Kevin Agani. Let's get to the top five plays of the past week. Let's start with a guy named Shoelace. That is Denard Robinson of Michigan. And there he goes, flying high against Air Force. You can't stop him. Michigan would get the win home. The kid's, his name is Shoelace. He doesn't tie his shoe laces. Do that. I don't suggest it. And then to the pitch. Kansas City Wizards, Houston Dynamo, CJ Sapong, the header. The game ends in a tie. Back to football. Alabama, Western Kentucky, A.J. McCarron. Ooh, that is nice. The Christian Jones in the corner. The concentration holding on. Alabama rolls. Washington State, UNLV, Nick Sherry. Ball across the middle. Deflected. Oh! Into the hands of Tyreek Toomer. And our number one play, Matthew McGoy, pump fake, broke the ball. Wide open is Allen Robinson laying out and getting dirty. We love that. And that's picture perfect, holding on Penn State. Though would lose in a close one, 17-16. That's a look at the top five plays this past week. I'm Kevin Agani. We'll see you next week.
I was chosen to protect my school from the forces of evil. I am the ninja. I am Randy Cunningham. How Bruce are these McKicks? Only the Bruce's shoes ever? If this is made yet another product, I literally cannot live without. We would totally die. I mean, we're McFistmen from toast to tea. McCrisps, McTidies, McSkinnies, McBirdies, Shorties, McTops. I got a mouthful of McFillings. McFist Meals is my complete breakfast. Let her out of choices, McSadies. McFist is so Bruce. He's the cheese. His name should be Bruce McCheese. He is my hero. Today is the day I destroy the Ninja Pharaoh. I presume you have a plan. Of course we have a plan. What's the plan? I've come up with... What have I come up with? We lure the ninja into a custom-made deadly trap of our own devising. Lure ninja trap. How'd you expect to lure the ninja into a trap? Yeah, what are we gonna use as bait? Oh, bait? Well, it would have to be something important, something you have to save, like... I was thinking a pillar of the community. Someone beloved by all. What? Like that monkey astronaut down at the zoo? I was referring to you. No, you really think I'm more beloved than Neil Armstrong? If you want your reward, you will destroy the ninja. This better work, Viceroy. I want my reward! Question, can McFist do anything wrong? Answer, no. That is why I'm his #1 fan. I thought you were the ninja's #1 fan. Yeah, but I am the ninja. I can't be my own #1 fan. Building, that's a building. I am flaring at the seams to present the new McFistery History Pavilion. Oh, come on. A history pavilion? Epic McFail. This generous new addition to our school is a gift from beloved Norrisville philanthropist, entrepreneur-ist, and mustache enthusiast, Animal McFist.
Tom Reed says, history is all around us. Like dinosaurs, a wheel, and those guys with hats. This beginning is filled with interactive animatronic displays of famous Norris video. That's right. History even happens here.
History is the cheese.
That's legendary crushing car quarterback Johnny Bueno.
Go deep for history.
So, lifelike.